What's up, y'all? Hope y'all staying COVID free out there. I should have been washing y'all dirty ass hands. It's your boy Ziploc. Happy Air Max Day was 2 days ago. It was good to me. I'm here with something I want to share with y'all. I've been waiting to get my hands on these type of shoes for a minute. And the fact that I came up on these on the humbug, on some luck shit, was crazy. But I'm about to share that with y'all. Oh, by the way, welcome back, y'all. So, like I was saying, Air Max Day was good to me. I don't like Nike putting just do it on my box because everybody be out there thirsty nowadays. Bad enough it had to run down the FedEx man. You know, they just put the sticker there without even actually attempting to deliver your shoes. But it's another story. Alright. Bang when you open the box. See that? Let's get this out of here. I don't even know where to start. Like, I'm too happy. I'm too happy. Like, I really want to get you these. Like, I just want to talk about the box. Like, first of all, the world is crazy. Y'all should have been washing your hands, like I said. But these are the perfect shoes for me to have in this quarantine environment, this new dystopian future, because these are sick. That was a crazy part. But Nike Adapt Auto Max, gray foam, white particle gray. Can't pronounce that. Like I said, I got these on some luxury. I just happen to be thinking about getting back into sneakers lately anyway. I bought a few pairs a few weeks ago of sneakers, and I was just trying to figure out how I wanted to unroll. Roll out, getting back into sneaker videos, trying to figure out what else I could bring to the game. To make the videos a little bit more interesting and shit like that. Plus, sneakers just wasn't interesting. You know what I mean? I never hit on the Nike app. Never. So this was the first time. And I bought a couple pairs, and I was like ready to get back into it. But the minute I got these, I had to show y'all right away. So let's cut the red. Let me see first. Man. Comes with a manual. I don't know if I can see that right there. Y'all should be able to. But you can do a lot with these shoes. Apparently, you can get like Bluetooth with them, and you can have you can change the light colors and all that other type of shit with them. All right, y'all ready? Y'all ready? Look at that. Let's get these. Oh yeah. Purdy. They said purdy. Look at it. By the way, shop with us. They match, they go, what? What? Yeah, they go. Oh, man. So, Air Max Auto Adapts. What do you guys think? Soft lacing. Look at that, y'all. They're getting a black glove treatment. Look at that. Now, the things that separate these to me from all the other Auto Adapt shoes, that right there. That exposed lacing system. A lot of the other Auto Adapt shoes, they didn't have this exposed lacing. They got like some kind of like cover on it or whatever like that. And like these to me are the shoes that resemble the Marty McFly's the most. The Air Mags. You know what I'm saying? This shoe is like a mixture of the Air Mag and like the old like Air Max 90s. You see how thick this cushion is right here? You know what I mean? Light going through it right there. Boom. These are sexy. Alright, so this plus sign right here, that's how you tighten them. Minus sign is how you loosen them up. I'm not hooking them up at the moment, but I want to show you guys. Maybe another video I might hook them up. Damn, look at the sole. Let's see what the sole looks like. See that? Look at that. Some of them don't look good. Look at that. Wear these with the grayest of sweats, feel me? Dang. I'm loving the way, I'm loving the direction that this new technology is heading in. Like, I wanted y'all to see what this motherboard looks like. So let's see. This was the divider. Boom. What the hell is this? Comes with the shoe. Says hello. Hola, konnichiwa, whatever your language is. Sup, bro. I don't know exactly what this little thing does right here. Come with it. Must be some kind of control device. You can comment below if you know what it is. Here's the charger. It's funny, I buy my kids Skechers all the time and they come with chargers and all this other type of shit. These is basically like Skechers and LA Gears for grown-ups, because you can actually change the light on the bottom of these to you can change the light on the bottom of these to like pulsate or wave or be different colors and all of that. See if I can find it see if I can set up another video for y'all so we can go through that. I mean, obviously we gotta go through that, right? It's like the best part of the shoe, so we gotta try it out. Oh, alright, let's put that back. And let's get to the motherboard part, exactly. And this is how it looks inside. See that? Motherboard. Nike Air DAP charger. I don't know if you can see that. Yep, that's the motherboard. Out here in sunny California. Stay in the shade. See that? Look in the shade. Oh. Dang. Where do you wear these to? Tell me in the comments, where would you rock these joints to? Like, really. I'm not wearing these to no gym. Like. But, yeah, like I said, as far as I see, man, these are hottest shoes to release this year. Like, I'm really feeling this right here. It's like the old Air Max 90s. They combined a few different shoes. Like, Nike is starting to do this big, thick dad sole shoe like everybody else. Even though, of course, the Air Max are already kind of having the thick soles. But, like, I like this tech look. Like, I like it. I like how this little extension back on the end of the shoe, like them other new Nikes that just came out. Again, exposed lacing system. Hey, man, you know I was happy. Hit on a sneakers app. I never hit on that sneakers app, man. And as shitty as 2020 been so far, and I definitely need some luck right now. But like I said, I'm trying to come back, stay consistent, keep giving y'all some content, you know what I mean? Y'all been with me for years. Through like 3 different states so far, you know, I move around a lot. Right now I'm in South LA. You know, so comment and subscribe, man. Holla at your boy, man. It's been a minute. I think I'm coming back right though. What's up with it? Yeah. Yeah. I ain't got no kicks cam with these, but here we go. So like, comment, and subscribe so you can see the next video. I'm gonna set these up on the like, comment, and subscribe to this heel tab. Looks like a 3M reflective heel tab right here. See those? I don't know if I can see those. But I love these shoes. It's simple. It's like simplistic design. You know what I'm saying? It ain't overdone too much. It's chilling. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, talk shit, share, hate, whatever. I just want to know how y'all feel about these things. I want to know how y'all feel about the sneaker game in general. With all this COVID shit going on and sneakers sitting on the shelves, because the only lines I see nowadays is outside the supermarkets. You know what I'm saying? I don't see the Jordan lines. I don't see the sneaker lines no more. So life ain't the same no more as we know it. Maybe everything will be auto lacing and, you know, Bluetooth sneaks and all that other type of shit, you know? These basically like the auto adapt Skechers. You know what I'm saying? But I like them. I like the shit out of them. Let me know what y'all think. Told y'all I wanted y'all to get a view of how they look in the box. There you go. Nice.
Very nice. Y'all looking good for 2020, Nike. I gotta give it to you. You're looking good. Stay COVID free, folks.